Hey guys, Dotson Guice here at MarineMax Charleston. Today I want to show you guys a new brokerage listing of ours. This is a 2017 Scout 231 XS. This particular boat's well equipped, was all just retrofitted back in 2020. Customer installed a new Tarova Minn Kota trolling motor with battery charger. You see this huge foredeck. You can comfortably fish 2 to 3 with a tow rail along the edge, designated anchor storage, suicide wing doors, so you can open and pull your rods out without having to interfere with the hatches. In the bow here is a big dry storage. You can put a Yeti cooler, 45 down there as well. Storage. There is access under the console, little seat in front. Rod holder, cup holders in the bow, as well as right here in the back next to the helm seat. Moving to the helm, I'll come around here. You have the tournament style leaning post that flips up and out of your way. Tucks you in as you're moving. Customer installed a Simrad 12-inch display. Digital Yamaha display. This boat is equipped with jack plate as well as a power pole. Power pole was also installed at the same time as that trolling motor, as well as the Simrad upgrade, and as well as the gel audio upgrade for the stereo, and a new Fusion controller. Digital throttle and shift, tiltable helm, Edson steering wheel, charger ports and USB ports in there. Moving to the back of the boat, again, great fishing platform. This boat is equipped with a power pole that was again installed similar time as the trolling motor. Dual live wells with port and starboard. There is a pop-up aft jump seat. Larger JL speakers again through that upgrade. In the back, again, this engine was installed in 2020. It's a 300 horsepower Yamaha with digital throttle and shift on the jack plate. If you guys have any questions about this boat, please give me a call at 843-747-1889. Again, my name is Dotson Guice here at MarineMax in Charleston. Thanks for watching.